Titus, co-founder at Unite Youth Aviators, where we expand kids' minds one takeoff at a time. Today we have some very young pilots flying with us, and we're excited. Look at the camera. So we're excited, right? And we're gonna let him introduce himself. But before he introduces himself, we want to thank Lena at PS5, where we do the after-school program with these kids. So I'll let him introduce himself. What's your name?
My name is Bryce.
Okay, Bryce. What's your last name?
Crawford.
Crawford. What school you go to?
PS5.
You happy to fly?
Yeah.
Where you from?
New York City.
Which borough? Brooklyn, right? Yeah, cool. All right, guys. So we'll catch you back when we taxi in and get ready to take off. Say peace, Bryce.
Peace.
All right. So pull us back a little bit slowly. Pull it back towards us. All right. Good. So you feel the rudders, Bryce? If you push it in left, push it in right. That's how we turn. We don't turn with the flight yoke for the rudders. You can't reach it. Okay. Don't worry about it. All right. So push the left rudder in. There you go. Good. Good. Good job.
7 Golf, as you come out of the ramp, make the right turn at Alpha, hold short of Papa. Do you run up there? Let me know when you're done.
All right, we don't need to run up there. We'll hold short of Papa for you.
Cessna 97 Golf, thank you.
You're welcome.
Running 1.
All right, so we're going to look. Nobody's showing there. There's a hair, right? Are we clear? So, Bryce, you want to give somebody a shout out?
Sure.
Who you want to give a shout out to? Go ahead, look at the camera and do it.
I don't know who's watching this.
Everybody's been watching on YouTube.
Thanks for watching this.
That's what's up. Your moms, pops, brother, buddy, shout out.
Thank you for Tristan.
Okay, Tris.
Thank you for my brother encouraging me to do this.
Nice.
Because he didn't get to fly.
Awesome. How old are you?
I'm 10.
10 years old. I hear that? That's what I'm talking about. Alright, good. Now pull it back. Good, that's good. So trying to keep your feet on the rudders and keep it centered on the line. Good job, Bryce. Alright, guys, we're here at the hold short. Alright, Bryce, I want you to press that green button that says 121. Good, so we switch frequencies to talk to a different controller, okay? Alright, bet. Robert Tower, Scott November 6097 Golf, holding short 32 Alpha 1.
6097 Golf, Pub Tower, hold short, 32.
3 X-ray. Alright, hold short 32 97 Golf. Alright, so this is Bryce's first time ever in a plane, ever.
Looking for traffic from the state.
You always wanted to get in one?
Traffic is
And now you get to fly it, right?
Yeah.
Cessna 6097 Golf, runway 32, line of point, traffic 2 mile final.
Matter wait, 97 Golf. Turn all the lights on for me?
Turn the lights on?
All of them. Yep. Push them up, just click them up, let's push it up. Alright guys, we're about to take off. He's ready, one hand. You're gonna push us all the way in when I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Tower, Sikorsky 27 Delta X-ray, customs for like Bravo for wet departure.
97 Golf, you said left, but wait, we clear.
Takeoff cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 97 Golf. Alright, full power, push all the way in.
200.
Hold it, hold it in. No, don't slide back. Yep. Say airspeed allowed.
0, clear line.
Say airspeed allowed.
Airspeed alive?
There you go.
3, clear line.
Alright, start pulling back. Pull the flight yoke to you. Now you take off in the simulator. Pull back. One hand.
Looking for traffic.
Alright, good. We up. Alright, yep. Just keep your finger like that. Alright. Look, you're doing good, man.
849, follow the Piper, clear touching it.
So we're 140 feet above the air, right? When, like, you see it in the simulator, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, guys, so we up in the air. Bryce did a good job taking off, right? Look, he even controlling the plane up and down already. Alright, well, no, we want to keep it going up. Nope, keep going up. Alright, keep turning. So we're going to go over to the south practice area, and we'll catch you back over there and have Bryce do a few little things, controlling the plane, little level flight. Right, Bryce? Alright, say see you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
Alright, guys, welcome back. We are over the south practice area right now.
Traffic number 2.
So we'll do a few little things. So let Bryce get familiar with it, right, Bryce? So good. We're gonna do a few things. Okay, first thing first, you see the bridge?
Yeah.
Right, so turn to the left to the monument over there, tree monument. So you see how we're turning, right? Now if we want to go down, right, there's another way we can do it. If you bring the power out, pull it towards us, the throttle, look what happens.
Start going down.
Right, because you're bringing the power out, so the propeller is losing energy to help the plane keep the lift. You get it? So look, I'll pull it out a lot, look. See that? So I was going down, and you could pull back to stop it, right? Pull back. Pull this back, the flight yoke. Alright? So you see how you're stopping it? Alright, now let's give it some more power. Power back up to 2,000. Push it in. Use a brace. You gotta use your hand as a brace. See? Yep, there you go. Alright, good, man. So we'll do a 360. Alright? When we get over here, power. Cool, which way you want to do your 360? Left or right?
Public Towers here, 62.
Alright, so then turn to the left. Hold it. So we're doing a 360. Hold right there. Alright, good. Look down. You should look to your left. See that?
Bravo, thank you.
Oh wow, that's super nice.
Looks super nice, right?
Everything looks like it's moving in slow motion.
Pretty dope, right? Up, keep going. You want to go faster in the turn? Watch this. You like roller coasters?
I've never.
You never been on a roller coaster? Never?
No.
You too little.
I'm scared.
Oh, really? So, that was cool, right? Alright, guys, so we did a few maneuvers. Now we're going to go back. Land.
Are you gonna take control of the landing?
Well, you're going to help me. Okay, your first day. Republic Tower, Skyhook, November 6097 Golf, over Cap Tree, inbound full stop.
Shark 6097 Golf, Republic Tower, good afternoon. Make sure I did runway 32.
Straight in 3297 Golf.
Never thought the Earth could be this beautiful.
Isn't it? One hand. Isn't it so dope? Whole different world when you see it this high, right? And we coming in for a landing, so it's even different. Alright, turn your landing lights on and taxi lights.
The taxi light.
Good job.
Short approach, runway 32 clear.
Turn the landing lights on.
This.
Yep.
Actually, southeast approved.
There you go. Good job.
Takeoff, runway 325323.
This the autopilot?
Yep, but we don't need that. How'd you know that was autopilot?
Instructor. My instructor. I got PS5.
Jerome is good.
I got taught by Mr. J. Like the same height as you.
You talking about Jerome? Yeah, Mr.
Oh,
J.
yeah.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, he. You know who taught him how to fly? One hand. I did. Oh. So they're going to give us a clear to land clearance, right? So when he says clear to land, I want you to be careful with watch the wire. I want you to repeat, clear to land, 97 Golf.
Clear to land, 97 Golf.
Alright, good. So you're going to say that when I tell you to.
97 Golf, runway 32 clear to land.
Clear to land, 97 Golf.
Clear the land.
Clear.
Clear the land, 97 Golf.
Good job.
Oh, I think that.
Yeah, you practiced it. Don't get afraid. So now, right, looking outside, once we get over the stripe, see the threshold, we're going to start slowly pulling back. Hold the nose up, look outside, look in front of you. All right. Bring the power out. All right, you gotta hold it. And down we go. Good job, good job. One hand, stop with two hands. All right. All right, guys, we want to thank you guys for coming on a flight with Bryce. He did a great job for his very first time. There's going to be some more flights we're going to do. We want you to please give us a like and a subscribe. We're going to let Bryce say a few words. Peace out words. Watch the camera.
So, thanks again for my brother, because he didn't really get to fly.
Right.
And
we thank you guys, right?
Yeah.
Right, tell them to give us a like and a subscribe.
Leave us a like and subscribe. And leave a comment on the best part.
That's right.
And bye.
No problem.
Next time.
See you next time. And the next video is gonna be on this side. So just click that box, the other box. You can subscribe to us. Thank you guys. Peace.